Good morning to all. I am SANJAY Kumar and I'm going to speak on the topic air pollution. So, what is air pollution? Air pollution is the presence of substances in the atmosphere that are harmful to the health of humans and other living beings or cause damage to the climate or materials. What are the sources of air pollution? Two main sources of air pollution are man-made and natural. Man-made sources include industrialization, urbanization, transportation, burning of waste materials and fossil fuels, etc. Natural sources are volcanic eruption, forest fires, strong winds, biological decay, and sea salt sprays. There are few major pollutants that are responsible for air pollution. The few major pollutants are carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, particulate matter, and ground level ozone. So how does carbon dioxide affect in air pollution? The role of carbon dioxide as a greenhouse gas, it has been described as the leading pollutant and the worst climate pollutant. Carbon dioxide is a natural component of the atmosphere, which is also essential for plant life and given off by human respiratory system. It deprives body of O2, causing headaches, fatigue, and impaired vision. Sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide is produced by volcanoes and in various industrial processes. Coal and petroleum often contain sulfur compounds and their combustion generates sulfur dioxide. And it is also one of the main components in the formation of acid rain. Nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide is a reddish brown gas. It is produced when nitric oxide combines with oxygen in the atmosphere. It mainly affects lungs and causes wheezing, and it also increases chance of respiratory infection. Particulate matter. Particulate matter are the particles of different sizes and structure that are released into the atmosphere, mainly from industries. It is also present in the form of fossil fuels, dust, smoke, fog, etc. And it can build up respiratory system and aggravates heart and lung disease, and it increases risk of respiratory infection. Ground level ozone. Ground level ozone is a very harmful pollutant. It is formed from car, power and chemical plant exhaust. It irritates respiratory system and asthma, reduces lung function by inflaming and damaging lining of lungs. So, what are the effects of air pollution? Effects of air pollution include the first main effect, the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth's surface. When the sun's energy reaches the Earth's atmosphere, some of it is reflected back to space, and the rest is absorbed and re-radiated by greenhouse gases. The absorbed energy warms the atmosphere and heatens the surface of the Earth. The second main effect is global warming. It stresses ecosystems through temperature rises, water shortages, increased fire threats, drought, weed and pest invasions, intense storm damage, and salt invasion. Just to name a few, some of the Australia's great natural icons, such as the Great Barrier Reef, are already threatened due to global warming. Thinning of ozone layer. Due to air pollution, our upper ozone layer gets thinned and it allows UV rays to pass on the surface of the earth. Acid rain. The ecological effects of acid rain are most clearly seen in aquatic environments such as streams, lakes and marshes, where it can be harmful to fish and other wildlife. As it flows through the soil, acidic rainwater can leach aluminium from soil clay particles and then flow into streams and lakes. So how can we control this air pollution? Few steps are: we can start industries only after proper EIA, and we people can use mass transport systems such as bus or bicycles, which does not cause air pollution. Vehicular pollution can be reduced by installing catalytic converters, replacing more polluting old vehicle, mixed fuels, etc. And there should be use of renewable energy, and the main important aspect in controlling air pollution is planting more trees. We only have one world, and do you want it like this? And from my point of view, all I'm trying to say is that is it is not too late to start again and try to undo what we have done until now to damage the environment. And if every human start contributing to the environment, then we can be sure of our existence in the future. Thank you. And these are my references. Thank you once again.